So today I made chicken parmesan and I'm going to try it now. I'm doing the same thing as the one video. I'm going to do a review and then after that, that's the instructional video. I'm at a new place. The oven is different, so the oven takes forever to go up to a certain temperature. So for the first 5 that I did, those are good. Those are like how you should make it. But then when I did after, since I turned the heat up, it eventually went to like a medium high instead of a medium, and that's not good. So I tried a burnt one and a not burnt one, and obviously the one that's not burnt tastes better, but the one that's burnt actually doesn't taste that much differently. And so I think for what it's worth, it's probably like a 7 or 8. It is pretty good for what it is. The reason I say 7 or 8 is because it tastes homemade instead of just like taking a bunch of salt and throwing it on, because that's all that everyone's used to at this point. Like, you get a frozen meal, they just add a bunch of salt. You go to a restaurant, they just add a bunch of salt. So for what it's worth, I think it's really good. It's definitely not as good as teriyaki salmon or anything like that, but I would say 7 or 8. We are making chicken parmesan, but it's going to be like mini chicken parmesan because they didn't have chicken breasts at Walmart. They also didn't have lettuce, which I didn't need for this. So I don't really know what's going on at Walmart. But you will need chicken breasts, or in this case, I have chicken tenderloins, all-purpose flour, salt, black pepper, eggs. Oh, I forgot to put the eggs in here. I'm not going back to do that. Italian bread crumbs, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, marinara sauce, mozzarella cheese, and basil.
Of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. How do you do? 'Cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories, now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. We can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections,